Back again, another day, more cabinets. Mounted this upper already. Now my house, living in South Louisiana on Lake Pontchartrain, it's not exactly level since 1983. So these cabinets are 21 inches off of the top of the base to the bottom of the cabinet. 21. I'm putting a light rail, which is gonna take 1 and something inches, and then the countertops, which will be 3 centimeters. So I was factoring maybe 3 inches, so that 21 will stay within the 18 of kind of the standard now. Now, when I shot my laser across the room to keep the left and the right side cabinets kind of at the same height, since my floor is higher on this side of the room, instead of 21, it gives me 22, which I'm fine with that, because since this side of the wall is going to have the range and the hood, that's going to give me a little bit more height over the range to the hood, so you're not, if you're standing there, you got a good clear sight of the range, and still within the specs of how far the vent range, the range vent has to be from the range top. So that's what I'm doing now. This wall is width-wise is a whole lot flatter than the back wall that I just did. So have this cabinet up. I just have it secured on the stud that I can get it to now. So next I'm going to take this cabinet, put it here, secure my face frame, and then I will secure them all together. You kind of want to have the cabinet off a little bit so you can secure the face frame, because what you'll find is if your wall from here to here juts out, you're gonna actually have to pull this out to get the face frame to line up nice and tight. So I ran the ledger board like I showed before. This is my line that I was dealing with. I went a little bit below so I could use shims, because of course you can go up, you can't go down. Have my 2x4s across here for my little hand, third hands, and then this brace, which I made a little 90 that I can slide back and forth so I can get the upper hand secure to hold at the cabinet. You can either go on the front or you can go underneath, and it's really secure. So about to do this. I also have to remember that I have my outlet up there for under cabinet lighting, and next is going to be the range, which is going to be a big heavy deal, but I think with the third hands I'll be able to get it done. So gonna hang this cabinet and get back.